Hello everyone and welcome to my beauty channel. Which do you prefer, sunset or sunrise? I know it's difficult, but I would think mine is sunset. And that is why I'm so inspired by this palette from Essence. I've created 3 looks using this palette and this video is part 1. So sit back and enjoy. Now you guys can see how beautiful this palette is. To fill in my brows, I'm using this eyelid pomade in matte brown, using a small angled brush from Carla. This concealer from Essence will give us a clean canvas for our eyeshadow application. And remember, a little goes a long way. I saw this look on Pinterest and loved it, so I'm gonna try this. I'm using my blush as my first color for my eyeshadow. This will just help me to blend out my second color that I'm going to use. So now I will use this beautiful pink shade and work this into my crease area. When you want to blend seamlessly, try holding the brush further away from the bristle. Next up is this purple shade, and I will use a dabbing motion to apply this color on my eyelid. This eyeshadow has a shimmer in it, so I will dab this on top of my eyelid. I hope you guys can see how beautiful this shimmer is. I use a clean brush to make sure all the harsh lines are blended perfectly. Hands up if you struggle to apply an eyeliner. Well, this eyeliner from Catrice is actually so easy to use. It has a super thin felt tip, so you can't really make a mistake. I use those bulky lashes to give me that va-va-voom I need. Very important, make sure you have a good quality eyelash glue. I'm using the Allure adhesive in clear. Apply the glue to the edge of the lashes and give it about 10 seconds to dry. So look down into a mirror and let the lashes fall on your natural lash line. So don't panic. Take a tweezer and position the lashes to make sure it is as close to your lash line as possible. Did you know that one of the benefits of using a primer is to make your foundation stay on all day? I love this foundation from Catrice, can you tell? You can use a kabuki brush or a damp beauty blender to give you that flawless foundation look. To bronze, I use this matte bronzing powder from Essence to contour my cheekbones, my forehead and my nose. A blusher is there to give you some color, so give yourself a smile in the mirror and apply this only on the apples of your cheeks. I use the same pink and purple shades and apply this to the bottom lashes. If you're searching for the best mascara, well, here it is. It's the Essence Lash Princess. I apply this on the bottom lashes. Applying highlighter is definitely my favorite. I use this Catrice Glowy highlighter and apply this to my cheekbones, tip of my nose and cupid's bow. And then I take a smaller brush and apply this to the tear duct of my eye. And then a glossy lippy from Essence to complete this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this pink-purple combo that I've created using the Epic Sunset palette from Essence, please let me know down below in the comment section. Also remember, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Until next time!